Okay, this is the Oraimo OSW-16, an affordable smartwatch that offers you 15-day standby time on a single charge, 13 sporting modes, water resistance, a beautiful build quality, all for as little as $30 or 15,000 naira. Do you want to find out if this is a smartwatch for you? Without taking much of your time, yo guys, let's get started. So first off, let's get to talk about what comes in the box with the smartwatch. This is a neatly and nicely designed green-black combo that showcases the smartwatch's design, screen size, most available features to this bottom, and a 365 days warranty from Oraimo. Within this box lies the watch in this cutout, and at first touch, you definitely can tell that this is made out of this comfortable wrist strap. But let's set this aside for now and see what else comes in the box. You get this teeny tiny envelope. This of course houses a tiny Oraimo welcome guide that should help you with setting up this device and what app you have to download to get things started. And also below that is its charging connector to juice up this smartwatch, and that's about what you get from within the box of the smartwatch. In terms of design and build, there are subtle things or design choices you notice and just smile like I did when I took off the wrap from the smartwatch. It doesn't necessarily have to be that huge improvement in tech. The fact that the strap seems like something that can be replaced with a similarly sized traditional watch strap. Having that large 1.69 IPS display, which isn't the brightest under direct sunlight, even at the max level, and also having that charger that repels from the watch when you try to fit in the polarity wrongly. I think I really like the design choices here. At the opposite side is a sensor that lays on your wrist and gets those readings to track your sports and health activities. I've used the smartwatch for about 2 weeks now every day, and I haven't really seen a scratch on this design. You get an IP68 rating, that's water and dust resistant, and can be submerged in water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Meaning you can go swimming, sweating over this thing, and it will survive. For comfort, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. It's very comfortable to wear, and so design and build quality on here, check. Let's delve a little deeper into this stuff. It is a smartwatch obviously, so can be connected to your smartphone via its Bluetooth 5.0 connection and the JoyWear app on your smartphone. You can install the JoyWear 2 app from your Play Store or App Store, register an account, and of course log in. From within the app, you can find and add your W16 smartwatch to have that sync with your smartphone. It's that simple. From within this app, you can do a lot of things and also monitor your heart rate recording and all that kind of good stuff. And also changing your smartwatch's face or dial settings as it is labeled here. There are lots of options to pick from, meaning you can download and install, and you even get a tab for a custom dial. Although that custom dial feature isn't yet available to us. Probably a software update might bring that to us in the future. You do not necessarily need any app to change the watch face, as you can press and hold for some seconds on the home screen and cycle through some of the faces available on the smartwatch. This app has all you need in terms of the smartwatch's control, updating the Oraimo OSW-16 firmware, the raise to activate display feature toggle, and setting how long the display stays on, which is 15 seconds at max. There is a sedentary reminder that has the watch vibrate when you've sat for a long period of time without moving or exercising. The app is feature-packed and syncs information with the watch, like syncing your smartwatch's time from the phones, your heart rate, the steps you've taken in a day, your sleep too, and that's if you turn on the sleep monitor feature. Now for the features on here, there are about 13 sporting activities supported on the smartwatch, like walking, running, cycling. You should see the complete list on the screen right now. Navigation was a little bit of a problem for me. Maybe I shouldn't have said a problem, but it needed some getting used to. But once you get a hang of it, you're locked in and it works just fine. Just know that the power button to the right side of the Oraimo smartwatch also acts as the back button, and that helps in navigation too. Some other features include physiological tracking, that's for the ladies, setting your daily target steps, getting smartphone notifications on your device and when they show up on your smartphone, using the smartwatch to find your smartphone in those type of situations, and being able to control media that plays on your smartphone. So every other feature you want on a fitness band and smartwatch is about covered on the Oraimo W16 smartwatch. For the batteries, you get a 200 mAh battery capacity. It is said to last for 15 days on standby, but I couldn't test that standby time as I have been using the smartwatch since getting it up until this review. I got roughly 2 to 3 days of use on a single charge, depending on how much I played with the smartwatch. The good thing here is that, unlike a lot of smartwatches out there, you do not need to charge this daily. Maybe every other day would work just fine. So, for 15,000 Naira or roughly $30, should you get the smartwatch? I'd definitely say a yes. Most smart wearables for $30 are fitness bands, and there's this joy that comes with wearing a smartwatch with a higher display than fit bands, but at about the same price, and yet does about everything you get from those fit bands. I think even though this might not be the perfect smartwatch you're looking for instance, I'd love to see a brighter display or maybe an AMOLED panel on here instead, but that would jack up the price for this device. This is actually great value for money right now. So if you feel that this is the affordable smartwatch you've always been waiting for or wanted, of course it is perfect for a lot of people watching this video right now. Then use the link in the description box below to get a discount, and you could even get some other gifts while this offer from Oraimo does last. Okay, let me know what you think about this smartwatch in the comment section below. I really want to hear your thoughts down there. Goodbye, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Athlete.